Today I'm making a East Coast blueberry buckle. Today I'm making a blueberry buckle. The ingredients you will need is flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, a stick of butter, an egg, 3/4 cup of milk, and 2 cups of blueberries. I'm going to add 2 cups of flour, three-quarters cup of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. These are all the dry ingredients, so we're going to go ahead and get these mixed together. For the wet ingredients, we're going to add the egg, milk, and I have 4 tablespoons of softened butter that I'm going to reserve for the crumb topping, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I've let it cool. We'll just get this mixed together. I like to add about half of the flour mixture at a time. A little trick is when you go to add the blueberries, you can use the flour to kind of coat them. And what this does, it kind of prevents them from sinking and is more evenly distributed through the batter when you go to cook it. All right, we're going to get the rest of the flour and fold in these blueberries. I have the oven heating at 375. So we'll just gently fold this in until it's all incorporated. That looks pretty good. I think that looks pretty good. The crumble is really easy. I put the 4 tablespoons of softened butter, a 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/3 cup of flour, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm just going to start working this until the butter and the ingredients get really kind of crumbly. Might take a minute or two. Just using a fork. I'm going to work on this and be right back. It should look something like this, really kind of crumbly. Now, I'm just going to take the topping and kind of press it together in my hand, and then go ahead and place it onto the batter, just like little chunks of it. We're going into a 375 degree preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. It's been 35 minutes. I just took it out of the oven and we'll let this cool a bit before we serve it. It smells amazing. And here is the delicious blueberry buckle. 10 out of 10 for sure.